Here's a simple recipe for ginger and lemon tea, known for its digestive and fat-burning benefits. If you're wondering what to drink in the morning to have a fat-free belly, this tea is a great choice. Ginger and lemon tea. Ingredients: 1 piece of fresh ginger, about 5 centimeters, peeled and thinly sliced or grated. 1 lemon, preferably organic, thinly sliced. 2 cups of water. Honey or sweetener to taste, optional. Instructions: in a saucepan, bring the 2 cups of water to a boil. Add the thinly sliced or grated ginger to the boiling water. Reduce the heat to medium-low and let the ginger simmer in the water for about 5 to 10 minutes. The longer you let the ginger steep in the water, the stronger the flavor will be. After the desired steeping time, turn off the heat and add the lemon slices. Cover the saucepan and let the lemon slices infuse in the tea for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. Strain the tea into a cup or mug. If you're wondering what to drink in the morning to have a fat-free belly, this ginger and lemon tea is a great option. It's refreshing and can aid in digestion, while providing a boost of vitamin C from the lemon and the benefits of ginger. Be sure to adjust the flavor and intensity of the tea to your personal preferences. To promote a fat-free belly, it's important to adopt a balanced approach that includes not only what to drink in the morning to have a fat-free belly, but also your overall lifestyle. Here are some tips on what to drink in the morning to have a fat-free belly and incorporate into your routine to help achieve this goal. Water. Start your day with a large glass of water. Proper hydration is key to overall health and can help control appetite. Green tea. Green tea is known for its antioxidant properties and its ability to boost metabolism. Drinking a cup of green tea in the morning can be beneficial. Remember that this is a good tip for weight loss, but it's a slow process. If you want to lose weight faster like thousands of women in the United States, I recommend that you seek out an expert in the field. Drew is a certified health coach and a nutrition specialist. He has developed a simple step-by-step system that has helped over 20,000 people lose weight, maintain it, and look and feel years younger. If you are finally ready for a weight loss plan that really works and is backed by real science and a supportive community, then the smoothie diet is exactly what you are looking for. If you want to learn more about the weight loss process with the specialist Drew, the link is in the description. Ginger and lemon tea. This is another healthy tea option. Ginger can aid digestion and lemon is rich in vitamin C, which can support fat burning. Protein smoothie. A smoothie made with quality protein, such as plant-based protein, green vegetables, fruits, and water or unsweetened milk can be a healthy and satisfying option. Lemon water. Adding a few drops of lemon juice to warm water can aid digestion and provide vitamin C. Remember that the morning beverage is just a part of the overall picture when it comes to what to drink in the morning to have a fat-free belly. To reduce abdominal fat, it's crucial to adopt a healthy lifestyle that includes balanced diet. Consume a diet rich in vegetables, fruits, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid processed foods, refined sugars, and saturated fats. Portion control. Be mindful of portion sizes to avoid excess calories. Regular exercise. Include physical activities in your routine such as cardio, strength training, and specific abdominal exercises. Adequate sleep. Ensure you get enough sleep, as sleep deprivation can negatively impact weight and overall health. Stress management. Chronic stress can lead to abdominal weight gain. Practice relaxation techniques like meditation and yoga. Limit alcohol consumption. Alcohol can contribute to abdominal weight gain, so consume it in moderation. Remember that losing abdominal fat can be a gradual process, and it's important to maintain realistic expectations. Consulting a healthcare professional or nutritionist can help you create a personalized plan to achieve your goals in a healthy and sustainable way.